Good morning, 7th standard. I welcome you all for this new session. Okay, now in this session we are going to see plurial they know. So you don't know what is plurial they know, so I will tell you. Already you have read it, but you have to see that in an example. Let's see it. So plurial they know. That is today's topic. Un garçon. This is point number 1. So l'article défini is used here. What is used? L'article défini. So un garçon, if I have to make it plural, what should I do? Normally, you know the l'article défini form. What is it? Un, une, des. So un and une are singular. So what do you mean by plural? Plural means you have to change it in a plural form, right? So what is the plural form for un and une? That is, the plural form for un and une is des. Okay, that means some. Okay, rule number 1: if it is un garçon, you can just add an s to the end to make it plural. That is, you have already used des here. To this garçon, you have to add an s to make it a plural. Understood? This is point number 1. Now point number 2. In case if the word itself has an s, what do you do? Any idea? No? Okay. In case if the word itself add an s, just change the article alone. Un fils. Article alone will become they and fils will remain the same. In case the word itself has s, please don't add any s. Understood? So they fils. This is point number 2. Point number 3. So if the word ends with eau, if the word ends with eau, change the article and will become they. I repeat. If the word ends with eau, just add an x. Just add an x to the word to make it plural. This is point number 3. Point number 4. Here I have given definite article. It might be indefinite or definite. Both the rule is same. Okay. Le bijou. This word has ou as the ending. What is it? OU. So, as we did in rule number 3, we will follow the same idea here. So, to make it plural, you have to add an X to the ending. So, article you have to change. It will be les bijoux. It will be les bijoux. So, I am adding an X to make it plural. That's it. So, 4th point is over. Here's the 5th point. The 5th point, if you see, le journal. The word ends with al. Okay, the word ends with al. In case if the word ends with al, take out the l and you have to add ux. So these are the types of nouns which will change its position when it becomes plural. Okay, if it is singular, it will have a form. But when it is changed as plural in English, we will just add an s. But in French, it's not the same. Each word will have its own transformation. That is, here n, just add an s to make it plural. Here already it has s, so I am not doing anything. Third one, the ending is eau, so I am just adding an x to make it plural. OU also the same condition, just add an X to make it plural. And AL, that is replaced as AUX. So this is plural they know. Apart from this, there are some exceptions, that is I have shown you in the screening method. So please kindly watch it and make a note of it. And today's exam might be based on this. So whatever exercise which is based on this particular plural they know, that will come for your online test today. So hope you understood this topic. Please do not forget plural they know. Okay. So these are the 5 conditions that you have to follow. So just see the screening method and you can follow the other steps. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, in today's class we are going to see plural they know, plural of nouns. So what is a noun? You know what is a noun? Okay, boy, girl, name, place, things, whatever it is, it will become a noun. So in today's class we are going to see what we have already seen in 6th standard. So we have few nouns that we already know. So we have learnt it in singular masculine form and feminine form, and either it is definite article or indefinite article. In today's class we will do that in a plural form. So the plural form will change for few things. There are some rules for it. So one by one we are going to see. Most nouns are made plural by adding s to a singular noun. That is only just adding an s to the end. So it is very simple. Le garçon or un garçon, whenever it is changed as plural, just only a s should be added. Les garçons, des garçons, that's it. Le bonbon, un bonbon, that will become les bonbons or des bonbons. See, simple s is added. La fille, une fille, les filles, des filles. La glace, une glace, les glaces, des glaces. L'homme, un homme, les hommes, des hommes. So rule number 1 is just adding an s to the ending. Now rule number 2, nouns ending with s, x and z in the singular do not change in the plural. So what they mean here is don't change anything. That is what it is. So you should not change if it is s, x or z. So s, it will remain the same, x remain the same, z will remain the same. Okay, so don't change anything. Rule number 2 is just do nothing, leave it as it is. Whenever it is the ending is s, x or z. See, le fille, un fils, les fils, des fils. La croix, une croix, les croix, des croix. Le nez, un nez, les nez, des nez. Okay, why? Because the word itself has x, s or x. So in the plural form it will not change. Now rule number 3, nouns ending with eau and eu normally take an x in the plural. So just remember this, eau or eu. Gato ends with eau, fur ends with eu, and lo ends with eau. So whenever these word comes and the ending is like this, just add an x to the noun to make it plural. If you add an x, that means it is a plural. Okay, les gâteaux, des gâteaux, les feux, des feux, les eaux, des eaux. Okay, exception, le pneu or un pneu. This alone you have to remember, this alone eu will become s. Why? Because pneu means skin. Okay, and livre bleu, this will become just, we have to add an yes, because this here is a color, but here it is not a color. These are things. Okay, cake is a thing, fire, water, fur means fire. So these two are exceptions. Whenever these two words comes along, just add an s to make it plural. So rule number 1, 2, 3 is over. Rule number 4, This is similar to rule number 3. Certain nouns ending with OU take X in the plural. So as you did for EAU or EU, what you will add? You will add an X, right? The same rule, but here it is OU. So whenever you see a word ending with OU, if you want to make it plural, what you have to add? An X to the end, which is given in red in color. Yes, exactly. So I'll read it once. Am bijou becomes de bijou. Un caillou, de caillou. Un genou, de genou. Un chou, de chou. Un hibou, de zibou. Un joujou, de joujou. Un pou, de pou. A few nouns ending with OU takes S in the plural. So that is the few exception. And coup, de coup, and clue, de clue. So these two words alone you have to remember. Okay, that is an exception as you have seen in rule number 3. Most of the nouns ending with AL take AUX in the plural. So le journal, so un signal, un cheval. So whenever you see the ending as AL, the ending should be changed as AUX. So you have to take that AL and you have to add AUX. This is the rule of making it plural. So please do not forget. And there are some exceptions which is given here. Am ball, that becomes they ball, just add an S to these following things alone. Even though it ends with AL, you have to add S alone. So you might have a question, sir, is there a way to remember this? The simple way is to memorize. Okay, so these are the basics of French. So there is no other shortcuts. They have given already the shortcuts. AL should be changed as AUX if you want to make it as a plural noun. Okay, so other than that, the things which is given in the box is an exception. So please kindly, what you do, you remember it by memorizing it. Okay, I think we are done with this. Okay, now we are ready with the formation of making singular noun to plural noun. Now we are going to deal with the exercise. In your book you can see this exercise in exercise number 4. So far we have done exercise number 1 and 2. I am not going to exercise number 3 because that we will do in the next class. Now we will concentrate on exercise number 4. I'll read the question once. Donnez les pluriels des noms suivants. Donnez les pluriels. Okay. See what here is le chandail. Le chandail is singular. Okay. So what you will do as per the rule, what you have to do to make it plural. So just you have to add an S. Le will become le, chandail will become chandail with S. Le cheveux. Le cheveux, that's the second one. So les cheveux with an X. Why? Because rule number 3, EU, what you have to add? EUX. See this one, rule number 2. Rule number 2, what they said? Whenever it is S, X and Z, you should not do anything to that. So don't change the noun. Let it be as it is. But change the l'article défini alone you change. LES and the answer is NEZ. I'll show you the answers. You kindly wait and then I'll show you. Okay. L'oiseau. L'oiseau EAU. Do you remember this? Rule number 4 or 5 I think. So whenever it is EAU, what you have to add for making it as a plural? Correct. Excellent. So les oiseaux. Les LES and oiseau with an X. Okay. Very good. La croix. La croix. Okay, let's continue with the fifth one. La Croix. So this also come with rule number 5. So whenever that word itself has an X, okay, you should not change the word. So just add LES. Les Croix will remain the same. CROIX. Okay, so that will be remain the same. Fifth is over. Sixth one, le travail. So le travail, this will become les travaux. Okay, les travaux. TRAVAUX. Les travaux. Seventh one, le feu. Le feu. Seventh one, this is rule number 5. Whenever it is EU, add an X to make it plural. So les, LES space FEUX. Les feux. Eighth one, lag. This refers to a single I. So if it is has to be plural, les yeux. So totally the spelling will change. That is LES, les yeux. YEUX, les yeux. L'animal. L'animal. So whenever it is AL, what is the ending should be added? That is rule number 5. AUX. Les animaux. LES, animaux. Les animaux. Les animaux. LES ANIMAUX. Les animaux. 10th one. So whenever it is OU, add an X to make it plural. Les genoux. So LES GENOUX. So les genoux. Add an X here and add an S in the front here. So this we saw an exception, right? So whenever it is UX, normally we'll add X to make it plural. But le coup is an exception that we have to add. What we have to add? We have to add only a S. Les coups. LESCOUS. Les journal. Hope you remember this. Take out the AL and you have to add AUX. Rule number 6. Sorry, rule number 5, right? Les journaux. JOURN. Take out the AL and write AUX. Les journaux. Okay. So hope we are done with exercise number 4. Now I will show you the answers and you can take down. Okay, take a pencil and take down the answers. The first one answer is les chandails. Les chandails. CHANDAILS. Les chandails. Second one, les cheveux. LES CHEVEUX. Les cheveux. Third one, les nez. Les nez. Les nez. NEZ. Why? Because the plural form, nothing should be added to Z. Fourth one ends with EAU, so add an X. Les oiseaux. Add an X to the ending. Okay. Fifth one, les croix. Leave the noun as it is because the ending itself has an X. Les croix. Sixth one, les travaux. That IL should be taken out and should be AUX should be added. les travaux. Seventh, les feux, les feux, les feux. Eighth one, les yeux, les yeux, because l'œil means single eye, les yeux means plural of l'œil. Ninth one, les animaux, les animaux. Animal turns into animaux because it's the plural form of animal. 10th one, les genoux, les genoux, les genoux. 11th one, only S because ku is an exception, so nothing should be added. Normally we add OUX, but here it is OUS because les coups is an exception. Twelfth one, les journaux. Journal becomes journaux. Now you can pause this video and you can take down the answers. Okay, so take down the answers. I'll wait for a minute and then we'll proceed. Okay, now let's do a small recap on this pluriel des noms. Why? Because this will come throughout your French career, that is from 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So all these standards you will be seeing this again and again. So I'll do a small recap. So whenever the noun is like this, and if you want to make it plural, just add an S. Okay, just adding S, that is rule number 1. And rule number 2 is the word itself has S, X and Z. So in that case you need not change anything, only change the article alone, definite article alone you change. In the noun part you don't change anything. That is rule number 2. Rule number 3 is either it is EAU or EU, just add an X to the ending to make it as a plural. That is rule number 3. And the exception for these two is, one is PN and second one is the colors blur. This alone, instead of adding X, you add an S to make it plural. Okay. Rule number 4, whenever the noun has a ending of OU, you have to add an X to make it plural. And rule number 4, the exception is ku and clu. These two words alone will have S as an ending. Rule number 5, the last rule, whenever it is the noun is having an ending as AL, add AUX to make it plural. And the exceptions are given here: ball, carnival, chacal, ceremonial, recital. For these words alone, add an S to make it a plural. So hope you understood today's concept. Okay, this is the main concept for today. Pluriel des noms. So today's online test will be based on this exercise which I have taught today, and rest we will do a small revision or recap for so far whatever we have seen. We'll revise apprenom once because it's been a long time, so let's revise apprenom once. Kindly repeat with me. Le bol, le bol, le bijou, le bijou, les bonbons, les bonbons, la cafétéria, la cafétéria, le cahier, le cahier, le caillou, le caillou, le carnaval, le carnaval, le cheval, le cheval, le chocolat, le chocolat, le chou, le chou, le cinéma, le cinéma, le clou, le clou, le cou, le cou, le crayon, le crayon, la croix, la croix, le cérémonial, le cérémonial, le devoir, le devoir, l'eau, l'eau, l'examen, l'examen, l'exercice, l'exercice, le feu, le feu, le fils, le fils, les frites, le frite, le gâteau, le gâteau, le genou, le genou, la glace, la glace, la gomme, la gomme, le hibou, le hibou, l'homme, l'homme, l'institutrice, l'institutrice, l'instituteur, l'instituteur, le joug, le joujou, le joujou, le journal, le journal, la jupe, la jupe, le jus de fruits, le jus de fruits, le livre, le livre, le nez, le nez, le pain au chocolat, le pain au chocolat, le pain, le pain, le pneu, le pneu, le pouls, le pouls, la règle, la règle, la robe, la robe, la rentrée, la rentrée, le récital, le récital, le serveur, le serveur, le signal, le signal, le stylo, le stylo, le taille-crayon, le taille-crayon, la tartine, la tartine, la trousse, la trousse, l'école, l'école, enseigner, enseigner, finir, finir, ensuite, ensuite, puis, puis, déjà, déjà, marié, marié, nouvelle, nouvelle. So now we are done with the Apreno. Let us revise the translation also once. So take the translation page and read along with me. Read slowly. À la cafétéria. À la cafétéria. Anish et Manuel finit les exercices. Anish et Manuel finissent les exercices. Ensuite, ils vont à la cafétéria. Ils vont à la cafétéria. La cafétéria de l'école est grande. La cafétéria de l'école est grande. Il y a des gâteaux, des pains au chocolat, des bonbons, des tartines, des glaces, du jus de fruits, etc. Repeat. Il y a des gâteaux, des pains au chocolat, des bonbons, des tartines, des glaces, du jus de fruits, etc. Caroline est déjà dans la cafétéria. Caroline est déjà dans la cafétéria. Elle commande une limonade et des frites. Elle commande une limonade et des frites. Manuel choisit un pain au chocolat et un jus de fruits. Manuel choisit un pain au chocolat et un jus de fruits. Anish choisit une glace. Anish choisit une glace. Il ne mange pas beaucoup. Il ne mange pas beaucoup. Il mange plus volontiers à la maison pendant le dîner. Il mange plus volontiers à la maison pendant le dîner. Le serveur remplit les verres d'eau fraîche puis le serveur remplit les verres d'eau fraîche puis il apporte des plats. Il apporte des plats. Les élèves finissent leur repas. Ils rentrent à la classe. Les élèves finissent leur repas et ils rentrent à la classe. So this time we have revised the translation French passage, okay, and we have done plurial they know, all the 5 rules we have seen. So the upcoming class we will see second group of verbs, IR verbs, okay. This will be your next class, and today we have seen also the après no, so that will be a good revision for you. So learn it. I'll ask in test, okay, so learn it well. And in today's online test, you remember what will be coming? Yes, donnez les pluriels des noms suivants. So learn this well, because exercise number 6 also will come under the same category. So if you know exercise number 4 well, you will be able to do exercise number 6. Je choisis une glace. So une glace, you should know what will become des glaces. So that is rule number 1. Rouge, we have to follow the rules here for the nouns, okay. For subject, I'll tell you what to do, okay. So learn that well. Let's see that in the upcoming class, and you take this as a homework, exercise number 5. Complétez le dialogue. Anyway, I'll give you the answers, but as of now you take it, you have to just complete the dialogue. Bonjour, j'ai une dash pour deux, s'il vous plaît. Okay, so you just try on your own. So how many words are missing? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4-letter word is missing here. So you just try on your own. So let me see who does it. Okay. So today's online test is exercise number 4. So you do well. So I thank you for today. Have a nice day and do your test well. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.